Understanding Bowling Ramp, an English learning guide. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore an interesting phrase, bowling ramp. This term might be new to many of you, so let's dive into what it means and how it's used. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of this phrase and be able to use it confidently in your conversations. A bowling ramp is a physical object used in the sport of bowling. It's a device that helps players who have physical limitations to participate in bowling. The ramp is placed near the bowling lane, allowing the ball to be rolled down it towards the pins. It's an excellent example of how sports can be adapted to be inclusive for everyone. When learning a new phrase, it's crucial to understand the context in which it's used. The term, bowling ramp, might not make much sense if you're unfamiliar with the sport of bowling. That's why understanding the context, in this case, the sport and its equipment, is vital for comprehension. While bowling ramp is specific to bowling, it can be used metaphorically in everyday conversation. For example, you might hear someone say, "We need a bowling ramp for this project," implying that additional support or an easier method is needed to achieve a goal. This metaphorical use demonstrates the flexibility and creativity of language. There are other terms related to bowling and sports equipment that you might come across. Understanding these variations can enrich your vocabulary and help you better understand conversations about sports. For instance, terms like bowling ball, bowling alley, or bowling shoes are commonly used in this context. I hope this video has helped clarify what a bowling ramp is and how it's used both literally and metaphorically. Remember, understanding the context of a phrase is key to mastering its use in English. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using these phrases like a native speaker. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.